Good morning and welcome to Daily Minute with Llyane. I am Llyane and today we will conjugate the verb haïr au conditionnel présent, to hate at conditional present. Haïr au conditionnel présent. Please look under the video to see the spelling of this verb. Je haïrais, I would hate. Tu haïrais, you would hate. Il haïrait, he would hate. Elle haïrait, she would hate. Nous haïrions, we would hate. Vous haïriez, you would hate. Ils haïraient, they would hate, masculine. Elles haïraient, they would hate, feminine. Je haïrais, tu haïrais, il haïrait, elle haïrait, nous haïrions, vous haïriez, il haïrait, elle haïrait. And now it is your turn to post under this video your questions, your comments, and a sentence using the verb haïr au conditionnel présent. So, if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and share it with your friends. And if you'd like to receive my Parisian French crash course for free, please come on over to joëlle.com and subscribe to the newsletter. Merci beaucoup et à demain!